Hello, I am going to give you your contrastive structure and giving directions test. This is going to be the information about how you're going to do it. Your test is going to be due on Sunday at 11:30 on LMS. And there are going to be two parts of this test. Part 1 is contrastive structure. You are going to be describing your house. So you will use contrastive structure to describe your house, and you are going to be signer A and signer B. To do both roles, you are going to have to shift your body from one side to the other. You do not have to turn your feet at all, just turn your hips. And in just a second, I will show you how to do that on the video. When you are done with the video and describing your house, you are going to either show your house in the video that you're recording, or you may take a picture of your house and add it to the assignment on LMS. Here is the script for how you're going to be using your contrastive structure and asking about housing. So for signer A, you will begin by asking what type of residence B lives in, and you'll use contrastive structure to do that. And then you will go on to signer B by telling what kind of house that you live in. And then you'll go back and forth, and I'll show you in the next video. And the way that you can do this, the way that you can shift roles is just by shifting your weight, turning your hips. You don't have to actually turn your feet or twist your whole entire body, like stepping to the side. But just twist your hips. And act like you're on this side, as signer A, and then you can turn and you can be signer B. Just like that. So just like in the beginning, like we learned this week, you're going to say to one person. I'm not going to tell you because that's the test, but what type of residence do you live in? And then they'll say, I live in a dorm. Oh yeah, is it large or small? It's pretty small. Is it new or old? It's pretty new. And you can continue to do that, and you're going to notice that it also says, ask the color of the residence exterior. So since we haven't learned the sign for how to full-on explain this, there are some signs that you can use from the signs that we have learned. And you could use things like your house color what, or you could say the outside of your house color what. You can say things like that. So don't get too caught up on the exterior part. Because typically if somebody says, what color is your house, you're probably not going to wonder if they're talking about the bathroom or not. Now, if you would like to specifically ask what color your bathroom is, then you know the sign for bathroom and color, so you can ask that as well. Then you'll ask if they like that color, you're going to give your opinion and then respond. So by giving your opinion, you can say, I love that, or I like, or that's my favorite color, or you could say, I detest that color, or however you would like to do that, and then respond in the same way. So if I were you, I would write a script and practice this before you record. Maybe in the mirror, or maybe just recording yourself ahead of time and then watching it and seeing what it's like. Okay, part 2 of your test is going to be giving directions from a well-known place to another well-known place. And when I say well known, I mean well known to the people that are taking this test. You're going to be giving directions to yourself. You are going to be signer A and signer B in this part of the test as well. But you are going to treat the person that is asking for directions like they've never been to the place that you're giving them directions. They have no clue where they are. So the place that you are going to be giving directions from is, we will start in my classroom. The person, signer B, is going to ask you how to get to the water fountain. So you will give directions from my classroom, Miss Marshall's classroom in the high school building, to the water fountain that is in the same building. So it's not a very far distance, but it is very important to follow the information that I gave you in the video about giving directions. There are some very important things to include when giving directions from these places, because you have to remember that the person you're giving directions to does not have any clue about the place that you are. Okay, I just want to wish you good luck on your test. I hope you do so well and you do your absolute best. I would like to give you some advice on uploading these videos. This can be a pretty large video, so you do need to follow this advice that I'm going to give you, and hopefully it will be the easiest uploading that you've had to do for a long video. So you need to download the Google Drive app if you don't have that already. And you need to go to the app and press upload. And then you're going to upload the video that you make for your test onto Google Drive. Now, when you're uploading to Google Drive, you need to make sure and not let your phone or iPad or your computer go black or auto lock, because if you do this, it is going to cancel everything that you're doing. So it might be best for you to turn your auto lock off, or just make sure that you don't leave your device alone as you're doing this, or it will delete everything that you've done on the uploading. So after you upload to Google Drive, you need to then go back into LMS, and you're going to open this assignment, and you will press attachment. You will upload to the attachment, and it's going to ask you if you'd like to upload from Google Drive, or if you would like to upload from your computer or your phone or iPad, and you are going to choose to upload from Google Drive. You will click that, and it should take within seconds, maybe a few minutes to upload, and it's going to be done. And also, the cool thing about it is, if anything ever goes wrong with LMS, you still have your video on Google Drive, and it doesn't take up any space on your device. It's on Google Drive, and it's there to stay unless you delete it. So I really want to encourage you to do this. It is much quicker, and you also are still able to upload to LMS so that I can see your work, but it doesn't take near as long as it does when you just upload straight to LMS from your device. So I hope you have a great rest of the day and a great rest of the week. I miss seeing your face so much, and I would love to hear from you. Good luck on your test.